In today's video, I'm going to show you how to rotate text in Gimp quickly and easily, step by step. This is a simple but really useful skill if you want to create better thumbnails, banners, social media graphics, posters, or any design where text needs to stand out at an angle instead of sitting perfectly flat. If this video helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Gimp tutorials and easy editing tips. Let's jump right in. First, open your project in Gimp and make sure the text you want to rotate is already on its own text layer. In the Layers dialog, click directly on the text layer so Gimp knows exactly which part of your design you want to work with. This is important because if you don't select the correct layer, you might end up rotating the wrong object, or nothing at all. Once the text layer is selected, the next step is to activate the Rotate tool. You can do this instantly by pressing Shift and R on your keyboard. That shortcut brings up the Rotate tool right away, which saves time compared to searching through the toolbar. Now that the Rotate tool is active, click directly on the text area in your canvas. Gimp will open the rotation controls and show you a preview so you can adjust the angle before applying it. At this point, you have two easy options. You can drag your mouse to rotate the text visually until it looks exactly how you want, or you can type in a specific angle if you need a more precise result. For example, you might want to rotate it 15 degrees, 30 degrees, or even a custom angle that matches the style of your design. This is really helpful when you want consistency across multiple graphics. As you adjust the angle, keep an eye on the preview so you can see how the text will look before confirming the change. If it seems too tilted, just fine-tune it until it feels balanced and readable. Once you're happy with the position and angle, click the Rotate button in the dialog box to apply the change. Gimp will update the text layer immediately, and your rotated text will now be part of the design. If needed, you can still move or edit the text afterward, which gives you a lot of flexibility while designing. And that's it. You've just learned how to rotate text in Gimp using the Rotate tool, and a few simple steps. This technique is perfect for adding style and emphasis to your graphics without making the process complicated. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Gimp how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.